Perfect time to test out my portable power fan.
Is it morning already?
Yeah, and it's time for all of us to get going on a Raptor roundup.
Dinosaurs?
What?
Looking for velociraptors?
I just started on my time machine.
They'll eat us.
I can't get us back to the age of the dinosaurs yet.
I'm not even sure you have to. Hey, look.
A raptor!
Oh, if Jimmy stuck around, we could have told him this isn't the dinosaur kind of raptor.
Right. It's the bird of prey kind of raptor.
And then we could have told him this raptor here.
Looks like a dinosaur with feathers.
Right, and it's called
The secretary bird.
also known as the hunter bird.
Yeah, let's call him the hunter bird.
Yeah, I like hunter bird better too.
Like all birds, it is a direct descendant of the raptor.
But how exactly do you know it's a member of the group of birds called raptors?
Because every raptor has these features: a curved, sharp bill,
Eyes in front of its head, both pointed forward.
strong, powerful feet with long, curved claws called talons. Raptors use these features to hunt, and that is what this hunter bird is doing right now.
Only I, Gourmand, chef de creativity, would ever think to invent the meal roasted raptor. You vultures! I'll catch you too! I will taste every raptor in the world and discover which one of you is the most lip-smacking delicious. And maybe it'll be you.
Wow, she really does look like a dinosaur.
Yeah, and some dinosaurs had feathers too.
Yeah, when you're looking at a raptor, you are looking at the direct descendants of hunting dinosaurs.
He found something.
Yeah, trouble. And its name is Black Mamba. That's the kind of snack surprise you don't want to find in your lunch bag. Unless, of course, you're a hunter bird. The mamba can't get a bite on his skinny legs.
Plus, they're covered with hard scales that protect them from the fangs.
And there are talons on the feet.
And the hunter bird uses those talons to stomp snakes.
Yeah, Stomp. That's Stomp's specialty.
Stomp is an incredible snake predator. Whoa!
Oh, that was totally prehistoric. Raptors rock!
Okay, I'm in on this raptor roundup.
Me too. Even though they're like living dinosaurs, they're too cool to be afraid of.
And they must have all sorts of amazing creature powers.
Great, that's one raptor found and only 320 to go. Oh, that's how many species of raptor there are in the world. 320.
Well, check this out. Our hunter bird has led us right to a few more. A chanting goshawk.
Peregrine falcon.
A spotted eagle owl.
A white-head vulture.
And a martial eagle.
Let's confirm they're all raptors. Curved, sharp bills?
Check.
Eyes on front of head for hunting?
Check.
Talons?
Check.
Well, when the raptors round themselves up for a drink at a water hole, a raptor roundup is a breeze.
I like the owl the best.
The eagle could eat me.
Falcons are my fave.
What the heck?
Huh? It's Gourmand.
What a move!
Go, Stomp, go! Get out of here!
Yoo-hoo! Gotcha!
Oh, but he got the rest!
Oh! Were you wondering which raptor to have for dinner? When I've tasted them all, I'll let you know.
Uh-oh.
Gourmand!
What's he up to now?
Don't know for sure, but I bet it involves barbecuing our raptors.
Guys, get the Tortuga ready for takeoff.
Come on, Chris. We'll track Gourmand.
Raptor almondine. vulture bouillabaisse, eagle gorgonzola, ooh, owl étouffée, and falcon fritters. Well, tenderize my tongue. Why didn't I think of this before? I love chicken wings. How boldly delicious would this be? Raptor wings.
That doesn't sound good.
Let's get a closer look and see what he's up to. Huh?
I love warthogs.
Yeah, but not warthog breath. Okay, I think he's gone. Come on.
Coast is clear. Let's get hopping.
Face is a shield.
Blocking the entrance.
And I can vouch, that face is wide and bony. And look at those tusks.
And even the lion is trying to figure out how he can get around that. She is protecting her piglets. And Spot Swat, too. Whoa! That's one cool defense.
And it's safe for the piglets again.
Ooh, getting Spot Swat away from his new mother? That's gonna be a lot tougher than we thought.
The lion's back!
No, that's just my stomach growling.
Oh, okay. Well, let's have lunch then, and come up with a plan. All right, let's review. Our cheetah cub has been adopted by a mother warthog.
The mother warthog is very protective.
And has a very hard head with tusks. And is tough enough to hold off a lion. Hey, Martin, would you stop eating so loud?
Me? I thought you were the one that was eating so loud.
Ah! Oh.
Huh? Hey! What do you think you're doing? Warthogs are fast!
Oh yeah, they can run up to 56 kilometers per hour.
To the termite mound!
That was close. Those are some really hungry warthogs.
I'm still one really hungry Krat brother. Whoa! They're making a mess out of our lunch. These warthogs will eat anything and everything.
Yeah, total omnivores. Vegetables, roots, tubers, insects.
Yeah, they're messy. But cute. Hey, but isn't Spot Swat hungry?
Cheetahs are specialists. They're very, very picky eaters. A cheetah won't even eat meat that's a few hours old. It has to be fresh.
And a cheetah's favorite prey is a gazelle. Chris, I think we have another mission for you. And you can use a specialty of yours.
Climbing?
Nope, something else you're really good at. Activating gazelle powers and luring cheetahs to chase you.
But Spot Swat is just a cheetah cub. How do we know he's even ready to chase gazelles?
Well, there's only one way to find out. Get on out there and do your gazelle prongy prancy prancy prong.
Here's Spot Swat. Hello, cheetah. Come on, Spot Swat, I'm a gazelle. Oh, bet you can't catch me. Gazelle prongy prongy prancy prong.
Keep going, Chris. It's working.
Come on, buddy.
But don't run too fast, Chris. He's just a cub.
He's not acting like a cub. I'll zig, zag, zigzag, zig, zig, zag, zag, and zig. Ah! Hey, buddy, you got me. And now, we've got you.
Awesome work, bro. We've got our cheetah cub back. How you doing, Spot Swat? Now, we've got to find your mom.
No sign of her. You'd think she'd be out looking for Spot Swat.
Maybe we should call the Tortuga. They could help us search for Blur.
Oh.
But then we'd never hear the end of it. Lots of I told you so's.
Hey, I've got an idea. Let's do what cheetahs do. Let's climb to the tallest spot so we can look out over the savannah.
Great idea, bro. Come on.
No sign of cheetahs. I've got to get higher.
Going up.
Hey, Spot Swat, help me look. I think your cheetah eyes are better than mine. Scanning the savannah is one of your creature powers. Let me know if you see Blur.
See anything?
Not yet.
Steady! Ooh, ow! Termites in my pants! Oh, sorry, guys.
It's okay. We didn't see anything.
We have to find a higher vantage point. You know, the higher we are, the more of the savannah we're gonna see. This is exactly how cheetahs scan for prey.
If we could just call the Tortuga, then we could really see everywhere.
Nope, not gonna do that. Hey, I know what the highest spot on the savannah is. Our old friend Necktie can help us out. I can see a lot of savannah from up here, but no sign of a cheetah. Still not high enough. Activate giraffe powers! Wow! I can see even farther. What? Oh! Maybe we need to reconsider calling the Tortuga for help.
Hang on a second, buddy. We're thinking. Martin, I think he's trying to tell us something.
Wait! Spot Swat has the answer. We haven't tried cheetah powers.
Yeah, if we activate cheetah powers, we can really zoom around the savannah looking for Blur.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Insert cheetah power discs. Touch cheetah. Activate cheetah powers.
We can find... Kid Muskie! Where in all this fur are you? I know that headbutt anywhere. Kid Muskie! Whoa, you've grown up a little bit. Oh, and you were hiding under your mom's hairy skirt, weren't you? Keeping warm under there, muskox calf style, right, buddy? Huh? Who threw that snowball? Oh, she's looking for food. That's right, you guys still need to eat during the winter. And the only way to get to the food is to bust through the snow and ice with those big, hard hooves of yours. They're icebreakers. Yes, you did it! I gotta tell the others about this. And Chris is gonna want to see you too, Kid Muskie. Chris, hey, I found him. Chris! Aviva! Uh-oh. They're frozen? He looks like a caveman from the Ice Age. Oh, I guess only muskoxen have what it takes to be wind blockers.
Dig faster, Zackbox! Dig! I need to find that creature collection! Now dig!
What? Oh no. Zach is trying to steal Chris's souvenir collection? Come on, guys, we gotta stop him. Oh. Huh. That'll work. Way to go, Kid Muskie!
Ah! Ice Cube avalanche! Ah!
off my creature souvenir collection, Zach.
Yeah, Zach. It's not yours.
No! Finders keepers! And I'm gonna find it first! So I'll be the finder and the keeper!
Not if we can help it, because we'll get through this snow like these great hairy sheep of the north do it. With muskox power.
Activate muskox power! To the Creature Souvenir Rescue!
Muskox hoof digging power.
Zachbots, stop those hoof-digging wild rats!
Keep digging, Martin. I've got you covered. Muskox headbutting power!
That looked fun. May I?
Be my guest. Oh, yeah! Ooh, that's a perfect strike, bro! Now, where is my creature souvenir collection? It's gotta be here somewhere.
Good job, Zachbot! You found it!
No!
Thank you! Ha ha! Now look who has your collection! Me!
Oh, come on, Zach. That collection means nothing to you, but it means a lot to me. It's full of reminders of our really great adventures.
And our creature friends, like that piece of shed fur from one of Kid Muskie's herd members.
And a baby tooth from a little Arctic wolf pup, our pal, Baby Tooth. Please, just give it back.
Oh, boo-hoo! I've got your baby tooth. Wah, wah, wah. You want me to give it back so you can just activate Arctic wolf powers whenever you want and get in my way? Ha ha! Never! The collection is mine now!
Well, maybe we don't need to activate Arctic wolf powers.
Huh?
Baby Tooth, it's you!
Wolves?
Zach, meet Baby Tooth's pack.
They seem interested in you, Zach. You kind of look like a muskox in that furry jacket.
Zachbots! Protective circle! Nanny goat, you can't get me in here! Zachbots, to the jet! Now, watch me make my smooth getaway. What are you snorting at, you shaggy cow?
You? I think he wants to battle you, Zach.
Ah! Ah! Down, doggies! Down! Stay! Stay, stay, stay!
Zach, take off your jacket!
Fine! Take my jacket and your silly souvenir collection! I really didn't want it anyway!
Aw, thanks, Baby Tooth.
That's a creature mission accomplished. Well, there they go. A couple of really cool Arctic creatures.
With awesome creature powers. See you later, Baby Tooth.
Bye, Kid Muskie.
Thanks for helping me get my creature souvenir collection back.
Oh, we'll never forget you guys. Hey, but they're forgetting us. Wait!
Hey, no problem, bro. Remember that harpy eagle feather we were looking for?
Cool. Then we'll just catch up.
Activate harpy eagle powers! Let's fly! Woohoo!
Gourmand.
I smell a creature in my trap. Ooh, interesting. what do we have here? A new green species? Let me have a look at you, huh? Is it... Oh, come on! Open up, Scaly!
You can't just pry open a pangolin, no matter how hard you try.
Ah! Oh, forget it. I'll get you open back in the kitchen.
The kitchen?
Okay, Artichoke, let's get ready to follow that endangered species chef. Quick!
To the city I sails with a boat full of pangolin scales. There'll be the special health booster for my smoothie juicy juicer. Yo-ho-ho-ho. Surely people will believe that the scales from a creature this strange possess special health benefits. So I'll just grind up the scales as a health powder for the greatest smoothie recipe ever.
Are you kidding me? Pangolin smoothie for health? No. Martin, come in. Chris here. Did you get the coordinates I sent?
Got him, Chris. We're on our way.
T-Rex! He got you too? Whoa, he's got pangolins from all over the world. Martin, hurry. The way Gourmand is collecting the pangolins, they'll be gone before we ever get a chance to tell people about them.
That's not gonna happen. Trust me. I'll be bombing in real soon.
Hey, I'm looking for a certain Chinese pangolin. She's the mom of a friend of ours. Can you help me find her?
You? Green grape. I should have known. Oh. Who did you say you were looking for? This one, maybe?
Gourmand, let her go!
Now, I can't do that, because then I wouldn't be able to use her in my very first pangolin smoothie, and you can watch me prepare it.
Okay, Jimmy, that's close enough. Bring her up slowly.
Ready, Martin?
All set. Aim it straight, Aviva.
Remember, stay rolled up, and the scale defense will see you through.
Let's do this.
Ready, aim, fire!
To the pangolin rescue.
Ah, yes, an artichoke and berry smoothie with ground up pangolin tail scales for healthy lungs.
Gourmand, why do you think that ground up pangolin scales will help people's lungs breathe better?
Well, the scales are so unusual, they must have special health benefits.
Just because it's an amazing feature doesn't mean you should eat it. There's no science that says eating pangolin scales makes you more healthy. Besides, they're made of keratin, and there's keratin in your fingernails too. So, if you really want to eat it, why don't you just put your fingernail clippings in your smoothie instead?
No! As long as people think pangolin booster smoothies are healthy, I'm selling. Huh? Now, where did that pangolin go? Aha! You thought you could get away, did you? Huh?
So, Gourmy, were you looking for her? Why don't you try using pine cones in your smoothie instead? Because you're not using our friend.
Good one, bro!
You! Stop right there!
Oh!
Ha!
Good thing prehensile tails are great for grabbing things, and in this case, picking locks too.
Pangolin defense!
What? Oh! Ow!
Don't mess with pangolins, Gourmand.
Oh no,
Ah! Whoa, hold up! Not down there, bro. Uh-oh, quick, the feather! Yeah, my souvenir kit is right. Huh? It's gone!
What? And we're goners.
This could hurt a little, bro.
A little?
You're welcome.
I guess that's what you'd call scared out of your shorts.
Oh. Hey, can I have those back? Oh, guess not.
Thanks a lot for the rescue.
I'm glad we got there in time.
Yeah, we were about to get walloped. Ow! Ah! Kind of like that.
It's raining adventure gear!
Oh, it's gotta be here somewhere. I gotta find it.
What are you looking for?
Only one of the most important things in the world. My creature souvenir kit. I can't find it. It's disappeared. Maybe over here. Oh, I checked everywhere.
Well, where was the last place you had it?
Yes, we gotta retrace my steps. Okay. So last time I remember having it was...
Yeah?
the Arctic. Just this past summer, remember? When we were there with Baby Tooth, the Arctic wolf pup.
Oh, yeah, and don't forget Kid Muskie, the muskox calf. He liked headbutting.
I remember I had it on that adventure.
Okay, then it must be there somewhere. Maybe you dropped it or left it somewhere.
Let's get back to the Arctic. We'll find it some way, somehow, brother.
Jimmy? To the Arctic!
All right!
My Finders Keepers collection. If someone loses it and I find it, I get to keep it. But it is missing something. I don't have anything in here from those annoying wild rats. Zachbot, are you in position? Well then, improve signal. There! Now, what are those wild rats up to?
Are we almost there, Jimmy?
I'm going as fast as I can. The Arctic is pretty far away, you know. It's as far north as it gets. Like the North Pole.
Oh, I know, but I gotta find my creature souvenir collection right away.
Did he say creature souvenir collection?
It's all of my creature treasures.
Creature treasures? Oh, boo-hoo! Who cares?
They remind me of our adventures.
Blah,
They're things of natural beauty.
blah,
And sometimes, they help give us creature powers in a pinch.
blah, blah. Give you creature powers? Well, then I can't let you have it. You and your creature powers keep messing up all my plans. Anything that makes it harder for them to use those annoying suits is well worth it to me. I'll find their lame creature souvenir collection before they do. Besides, it'll make a perfect addition of my Finders Keepers collection. Jackbots, get my warmest jacket. We're going to the Arctic.
Uh-oh!
It's winter now.
How are we gonna find Chris's creature souvenir kit under all this snow and ice?
Well, this is what the Arctic looks like most of the time. It's the harshest cold weather climate on the planet.
My collection is somewhere under that snow, and we've got to find it.
Okay, so where exactly were you when you used it last?
Well, okay. Down in that valley was where we helped the muskox herd fend off the wolf pack. Remember that? Oh, yeah. The musk oxen did their patented defensive circle to keep the wolves at bay. And in the middle of the fray, it rose up in front of me. A piece of shed muskox fur. If I could catch it, it'd forever remind me of this incredible creature moment.
Did you catch it?
Not exactly.
Why not?
Well, just as I was about to grab it, I kinda sorta got in the way of a muskox.
Aww.
But the fur floated down right on my face.
So you got the fur. Did you put it in your creature souvenir kit?
No, not then. I had to stay focused on the battle. But after we fended off the wolves, I headed back to the den to see Baby Tooth. It was later that day that I put the piece of fur safely away. I put it right beside the Baby Tooth that Baby Tooth, the Arctic wolf pup, gave me. And that's what you were doing when I called you at the den. Whoa. Come in, Green Wolf Pack. This is Blue Ox here. We've got a battle brewing here, bro. Are you talking about what I think you're talking about? Oh, yeah. Headbutting battles of epic proportions. I'm on my way. Oh, I can't miss that. Muskox, here I come. I rushed like crazy, but I definitely remember taking the collection with me. Uh-oh, the Challenger. Easy, head basher. Mind if I call you that? Okay, I'll just get out of your way. Doesn't look like he is, though, and that means trouble. He's trying to take over Head Basher's herd. And Head Basher is not happy about it. Hurry, Chris, the battle's starting. I'm hurrying. Here they go. Running at each other full tilt. For maximum power and impact. Bam! Oh!
Aviva, this could get interesting.
Yeah. It really makes me appreciate how many amazing animals we've encountered.
And how many awesome creature power discs you've made.
It makes me tired just thinking about it. I'm taking the day off. No inventing today. I'm spectating. The bros are on their own.
Don't get too comfy, Aviva. I'm not a professional scientist, but I think I observed when it comes to high tech, the bros usually end up needing your help.
Let's start with a strength contest between the elephant and the rhino. You're on! Rhino power! Squirrel power!
Huh? Oh, wrong one.
Elephant power! Activate creature power suit! Oh yeah! Rhino powers!
Elephant powers are so awesome. I can do push-ups with my nose.
1, 2, 3, 4! Save it, brother. It's a sumo-style showdown of strength. Whoever pushes the other guy into the mud wallow wins. Elephant powers are the strongest.
And we only have 2 good tires for the Createra left. We need to replenish our stocks of solar panels. I've got a big list. We really have to go to the nearest town to get supplies, like now.
Martin and Chris aren't gonna be psyched about that. You know, they'll say something like, well, we just got here to the Sonoran Desert, and we've only met a few of the creatures who live here.
But we can't wait any longer, and that's the point. We're in a desert, and we're also running out of water.
Hey, why don't we just take the Kratera? That way we get the stuff we need, and the bros can keep exploring.
Did you see this list? We need too much stuff. It's time for our giant annual Tortuga resupply.
Yeah, come to think of it, I am running low on a lot of important materials for creature power suit programming.
Uh-oh. And what if we run out of snacks?
Water. 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 We need water.
The desert is giving us a beating. Hey! Gotcha. Huh?
Guys, knock it off. We have to conserve. This is our last bottle of water. Aviva and I have just decided we have to leave now and go to town and get resupplied.
What? But we just got here to the Sonoran Desert.
And we've only met a few of the creatures who live here.
I told you.
I know, but we've run out of so many things, and...
Oh, no! This is the last bag of nachos, and we have no more salsa.
Oh yeah, you do have to have salsa for your nachos, especially when you're adventuring the desert southwest.
Wait a second. We can't go now. We're just on the tail of that speedy little mystery lizard over there. Leaving now is against the Wild Kratts Creature Adventuring Code of Conduct.
Yeah, you're right, bro. Gotta stay until we know exactly who that mystery lizard is.
Whoever it is, it'll be a new animal for our life list. Seeing through binoculars doesn't count. We have to see it up close and personal to add it to our life list.
I know, but at least we know what we're trying to get a closer look at. Oops. Whoa! It has 2 tails, 3 eyes, and...
Martin,
Ah!
the binoculars are broken.
Now we have another reason to head to the nearest town. New binoculars. Come on, guys, get packed up and ready to go.
Please, just 5 more minutes.
Oh, come on, we just have to get close to that speedy mystery lizard.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Fine. I still have to realign the Tortuga's hover thrusters before we take off. I can give you half an hour.
All right.
Yeah, all right.
Thanks, Koki.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Sure you will.
All right, this'll be great.
As soon as I spot the lizard,
I'll let you go, and then you'll go flying after him.
and I can grab that mystery lizard as I fly by.
I should have activated bear powers or something strong. You see the lizard?
Not yet. Could be a while.
Oh, there he is!
It's a cactus. Woohoo! Give it all you got.
You got it.
This is not the way to see North America.
You can say that again. Smooth it out, Jay-Z. Slower.
A few more turns. I'll give him the old Jay-Z jigzag.
A creature alert. Coming in from some Wild Kratts kids, in Eastern North America. Wild Kratts Tortuga HQ, mystery discovery or rescue.
Mystery, I guess. Wait, no. Rescue. Wait, maybe all 3.
Wow, what's going on?
We've got a big problem. Our clubhouse tree is dying.
Even worse, the whole forest here is dying.
What? All the trees are dying? Why?
We don't know. We're worried about all the creatures that live here, too. They can't live without their forest.
See? It's a mystery and a rescue. All rolled into one. We need help.
You're not kidding. Hang tight, we're on our way.
Jimmy, take her down. Double speed.
What's going on?
Whoa! Did you tell him to give it all he's got? I didn't know he had this much. Dive!
All right, Stomp. Get those long legs out of here. Chris will keep Gourmand distracted as long as he can, but we've got to move fast. So let's round up these raptors and get them out of here. Okay, Evie, you gather the falcons.
But which are the falcons? All of these raptors have similar features.
You're right, but the different groups of raptors, hawks, eagle, falcons, owls, and vultures, each have special features. Falcons have long, thin wings and black patches under their eyes.
On it.
Koki, could you handle the hawks?
Sure I could, if I knew what one looked like.
Like her. Shorter, broader wings and wide fan-shaped tails. And Jimmy, can you sort out the owls?
Easy. They'll be the ones that hoot before they sink their talons in my face, right?
Well, some hoot, but all owls have round faces and the biggest eyes. And I'll wrangle the eagles, the biggest and most powerful birds of prey. Let's go, Wild Kratts.
Falcon?
Hawk.
Owl.
Eagle. Haha, now that's what I call a raptor roundup. We've got eagles.
Hawks.
Falcons.
Owls.
That's 4, but didn't you mention 5 basic groups of raptors?
Vultures. We forgot the vultures. Come on, everybody, grab a vulture.
I hope Chris and the Falcon powers can keep Gourmand distracted a little bit longer.
Come and get me, Gourmand!
Vulture secure. Let's fly out of here.
What about Chris?
He'll be fine. He's got peregrine falcon powers.
If I tuck into a super stoop, the peregrine falcon's fastest dive, I can outfly Gourmand's snowballs. Uh-oh! Mayday! Mayday! I've been hit! I'm going down!
Chris needs help.
All right, we've got to help him. But we can't show up around Gourmand with a truck full of raptors. First, we'll let all the African raptors go. Martial eagles, away!
So long, spotted owls.
Be free, chanting goshawks.
Hasta la vista, vultures.
Fly away home, Falcon.
Not so fast, Aviva. I need to borrow a little speed from this falcon first. Activate peregrine falcon powers. So I can sit back and rescue my bro.
Sounds good, Martin. We'll get the rest of these non-African raptors back to the Tortuga safe and sound.
All right, Chris. Get ready for a raptor rescue.
So fly, boy. Can't move so fast now, can you?
That was just a lucky shot, Gourmand.
Well, one thing I know about birds, they can't fly right unless their feathers are just so. And I'm not talking about so muddy. It'll take you forever to clean off your creature power suit. And by that time, I will have surprised your blue brother and the rest of your friends. And I will recapture my raptors.
I can't even find my creature pod to warn them.
All right, buddy. Thanks for the escort, but you better get far away from here now. Because knowing Gourmand, he could be hiding behind any one of these clouds. Now to get an eagle eye on the situation, because all raptors have awesome eyesight. Engage falcon vision. Bro, is now really the best time for a mud bath? Oh no, he's stuck. And he's no falcon. He's a sitting duck.
Ew. Okay, a falcon has 450 feathers, so it takes me an hour to clean each one. Then I'll be here until next Tuesday.
Thanks. I've got to get there, and fast. Uh-oh. Rocketing from the sky is maybe the most awesome Raptor power. But it's nothing without talent feet that grab.
Woo! Nice save, bro! Well, can you fly a little higher? Whoa! Sorry, Chris. No problem.
How about a little spin cycle to get that mud off and get you flying again?
Sure! Whoa! Falcon power's back online. Hey, Gourmand! You're gonna have to do a lot better than that. Yeah, we're not gonna let you get anywhere near those raptors.
We'll see about that.
It's a trap! Oh, caught in an invisible mist net.
Well, well, well. Look who got caught in my trap again.